Here's a concise and engaging book summary for storytelling with data, before and after. Practical Makeovers for Powerful Data Stories by Cole Nussbaumer Knaflic, Mike Cisneros, and Alex Velez. Written in a clear narrative suitable for YouTube video description or summary content. Book. Summary. Storytelling with data. Before and after authors. Cole Nussbaumer Knaflic, Mike Cisneros, Alex Velez. How do you transform an ordinary chart into a story that inspires action? In Storytelling with Data Before and After, Cole Nussbaumer Knaflic and her team reveal how small, intentional design choices can make a massive difference in how data is perceived, understood, and acted upon. Building on the principles of the original Storytelling with Data, this edition brings those ideas to life through 20 real-world makeovers, showing exactly how to turn confusing visuals into clear, persuasive data stories. Simplify visuals by removing clutter and focusing on what truly matters. Structure narratives that connect emotionally and intellectually with your audience. Use color, layout, and design strategically to highlight key insights. Clarify complex data, making it accessible to any audience. Overcome everyday challenges like bad templates, time constraints, and unclear goals. Each chapter reveals the before and after transformation of charts and slides, paired with commentary explaining the design thinking behind every choice. You'll see how thoughtful storytelling turns static data into powerful narratives that influence decisions and drive action. Whether you're a data analyst, business professional, or communicator, this book is a visual masterclass on presenting data effectively. It's not just about making charts look better, it's about making them work better by telling a story your audience will remember. Key takeaway: great data storytelling isn't about showing more data. It's about showing the right data in the right way to make the right impact. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and comment for more videos.